JavaScript is often called an event-driven language, and I'm about to show you why. With JavaScript, we can respond to events that the user causes in the user interface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a button down here, input type equals button, and we'll write something on the button like press me. Now, I'm going to add to the button an onClick event. And this is what happens when the button is clicked. So when the button is clicked, I'm going to actually call a JavaScript function, just like we've been looking at. We'll call the JavaScript function onButtonClick. And don't forget our parentheses, because it's a function. All right, so now I've got to write the onButtonClick function. Since it's a function, I'm probably better off putting it in the head of the document. So let me go ahead and move this here. And so we're going to call it function onButtonClick. So, of course, again, within the curly brackets, we have to put what do we want the function to do. So we're simply going to alert out, you have successfully pressed the button. All right, so let me go ahead and save. Let's go ahead and try this in one of our browsers. We'll use Firefox for this. There's our button. I'm going to click. And we don't get anything. Let's double check here. On button click. Oh, little typo there. Forgot the L in click. Let's save. And let's try it again. We'll refresh. Press me. And you have successfully pressed the button. So again, let's look at what happened here. We used the onClick event to call onButtonClick. The onButtonClick function ran, which had the code to output the alert box with the text, you have successfully pressed the button. Now I'm going to add another function, and I'm going to go ahead and call this function when page loads. And I'm going to alert out here, welcome to my page. And just to show you another event that can call a function, we're going to go into the body and use the onLoad function. And here we're going to call when page loads. So the onLoad function is called after the page is loaded. So when page loads is up here, control will be passed to this function, and we'll alert out welcome to my page. So let's see if this works. Again, we'll go to Firefox. And there is the when page loads function running with the text welcome to my page. And then when I click press me, the onClick event occurs. You have successfully pressed the button. There are a number of other functions that we can use to call, a number of other events we can use to call functions. For example, instead of onClick, we can use on mouse over. So now instead of having to click the button, I simply put the mouse over the button. And without clicking, it's going to call the onButtonClick function. There's welcome to my page. I point, I didn't click, and there's you have successfully pressed the button. Events are a very important part of JavaScript, and as you continue to use JavaScript, you'll look at more and more complex events to control what's going on within the browser window.